Shake your body.
Alright guys, Jeff the maintenance man. We took out her old switch and we're going to be installing a dimmer. Somebody did me a favor and at least put some tape around the edges, because these metal boxes, they don't feel too nice. Now the power is off to this circuit, but this power here is on, and the reason why there's still power there, it doesn't matter if the city grid goes down, the power still will be on, because our generator will kick on, and I would have to go all the way to the emergency panel to do that. Now let's see, this is just it's gonna be our load. I mean, this is gonna be our live, and I think this is gonna be the load here. The power is off, like I said. I mean, I can just show you guys one more time. Low voltage connection. I have nothing, but that is live in there. So this is going to her chandelier right there, and that tingled. Gosh darn it. Alright, here we go. What I'm going to do is hook the ground up first, because I have a pigtail ground coming off of this dimmer switch. This is one of those light switches that have the little fader. It goes up and down. So what I'm going to do is try to ground this without getting electrocuted by the other one, or shorting the ground to whatever. These are metal boxes too, so okay, there we go. So yep, that can go all the way back into the box, and we're not short at the ground. There we go. Alright, so this is the hot, and then this is the outgoing load. So alright, just gotta make sure every dimmer is almost a little bit different. So just hook the wires, get a nice hook on them. It was maybe a little tighter than I wanted it to be, but we'll get it done. Okay, so load, we'll hook it in. That's the wrong direction. There is a proper direction, by the way, guys. Hold on, I'll show you. I mean, it'll both work the same way, but the hook should go in the direction of the spinning screw. So when this screw spins, the hook should go in this direction. So when I tighten it up, it pulls into the screw. It's just like kind of like the same thing like putting on Teflon tape. It doesn't matter, it still works, but the proper way of doing it is to put the screw facing that direction. So when the screw goes in, it'll pull this hook into it. Even though mine just popped out a little bit, but there we go. See how it kind of pulled that copper into it that way. So again, on this side, screw's going to go in this direction, so the hook needs to go into this direction. We can twist these wires. These are like little tiny 14 gauge little suckers. So don't matter too much. Just put this puppy around it like that. The screw goes in this direction. See, it makes a nice tight connection when you do it that way. Okay. So, I'm gonna put this in here and hopefully there's no. I hate putting dimmers in these things because they like to short out on the emergency power supply. See, when that light right there stay on all the time, because it's emergency lighting. So I have to shut off, like, I think I already said this, but I have to shut off like 12 or 13 apartments to it just to change a dimmer, just change over to a dimmer switch. I definitely need this to go over more. It's making me nervous. Okay. Here we go. Alright, so what I'm talking about, guys, see that clearance from the heat shield here? There's screws right on the side of this thing that are hot, obviously, because the lights are on. So, yeah. So I'm gonna really mess with that, so let's turn her back on. I got lucky today. Breaker box is right up here. There we go, nothing went bang. The lights came on. They're not gonna dim yet, because they're not dimmable bulbs. But she's replacing that chandelier anyway. But I can tell you, maybe it'll work now. Potentiometer there. Alright, let's see if I can get the faceplate back on there. That's going to be the challenge. See? She's not even going to be able to get to that dimmer unless I shove it over more. So, that's going to be a problem. Do that too. That's another thing I gotta do. This thing goes in so freaking far. It's not like the other. Well, the other one's loose too. She's not going to be able to see what I can do with the screws here, but there ain't no promises here. We'll give it a shot. It's lined up. Just, you gotta loosen those things so when you put these screws in, it pulls them out. There we go. That works. See? But here's the thing that's killing me, man. This thing's not working. I need to go get some bulbs that dim just to make sure, because this sucks. So I'll be back before I put button all this up together. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's dimming, but those aren't dimmable bulbs, so I gotta go get some just regular old, none fancy incandescent light bulbs and put in her thing, at least one of them, and then I can tell you. But I'm probably doing the chandelier too. She has a chandelier here she wants hung. I don't know where it went, but it's somewhere around here. I just gotta explore a little bit and find it. put all my stuff over here in the corner. And I should have done it. I see it trying to dim and then going up and down, but you can't dim CFL light bulbs. And that's what she has in here, so she needs 5 incandescent light bulbs. So we'll go get her some. We'll be back. Yep, so I need light bulb. That's dimmable. So instead of trying to find LEDs or anything like that, I don't care if they want the exotic stuff. These are good old-fashioned Thomas Edison light bulbs, 60-watt bulbs. All I need is one. So I'm taking this whole chandelier down anyway. And we'll just watch this and make sure it dims. That means I got it wired correctly. See? See how they flash like that? But I can dim. That incandescent bulb goes up and down. So the dimmer is installed correctly. Yep. There you go. Install a dimmer. So now we know how to install a dimmer, don't we? Another thing, these lights were purposely unscrewed because they were too bright. That's why they're blinking. Notice this one's off. So, but I don't care about those other lights here. Those CFLs. We're just gonna go with the incandescent ones because I'm gonna throw those away with the lamp, or might not throw this away. Put it somewhere else. I don't know. It ain't here. That's my next project, is get that chandelier down and put another one up. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. That's how to put in a light switch dimmer. You have a good one. Stay safe.